jockey. Watch out for a second. I have to heal.
Climb under the stairs, I guess.
Jockey! Get you something done. See, you're fine.
There's a trillion zombies on the other side of the door.
Okay.
Ready?
Are we ready to go?
Good to go.
I don't know.
You don't have time for this. Get up.
Oh, thanks for that. I got these pips.
Jockey up here.
I need to find some.
Heads up.
Careful. A hunter's around.
I meleeed you.
Ellis! In case anyone was wondering, I'm about to die.
Get your ass over here.
Ouch!
Yeah, Sandra killed me.
In case any... Stop, guys! I have to heal.
Oh, there's a lot of them.
Check this shit out. How bad is it? Come on, get up. Reloading!
Well, you lived.
It would have been a good plan if the zombies went after you.
Guns here. Pull yourself together, man. You're falling apart.
Did you drop anything useful? Nothing there. Oh well.
Grabbing a Molotov. God damn it, I can't believe this.
Spitter coming at you. Boomer behind the bus.
We have guns here!
There's an alarmed car.
Don't worry about me, I'll be okay.
There you guys are.
Yay!
Help, man! Anybody out there?
Much obliged.
Reloading.
Found some bile up there.
Hey, get you.
No.
Thanks.
God damn it!
Damn it, I'm covering.
Get up. Now!
Let's go.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Thanks.
I got a misery in my bones. Y'all better not shoot that car.
Yeah.
Deploying frag rounds.
Alright.
Yes.
Nice.
For sure.
I just don't want to be near that house anymore.
Oh man.
Reloading.
It's a
I got
bad house.
stuck there. I'm getting stuck on everything.
Much longer, my friends. I'm seriously screwed up.
I hate spitters so much. It filled this room completely, even though she hit the door.
Scared the shit out of me. Thought that was it for you. One more time down and it will be.
There's pills in that closet.
I'm gonna get you on your feet.
I'm black and white, so I'm not going to take any
Stuff,
pills.
You are not gonna make it.
So where do we have to go?
Grabbing a bow. Nick.
Is it up here?
At least you dressed for the funeral.
There's...
Yeah, you go up to the 3rd floor and then you drop down a hole. Jump coming up the stairs
Guys, get me out of here.
through the bar.
Weapons over here.
There's a shotgun there.
We're gonna need these.
I'm going to show beefy ass.
Safe room's at the bottom of the stairs.
Oh shit! Oh, close as I like to get.